Before lightweight kayaks, before whitewater competitions, before modern outdoor gear, there were the paddlers, and they needed dependable footwear. The story of kayaking boots begins thousands of years ago. Among the indigenous peoples of the Arctic, communities such as the Inuit developed kayaks for hunting, travel, and survival. Their footwear, often crafted from carefully prepared animal skins, protected the feet from freezing water, while remaining flexible enough to move naturally inside narrow boats. As kayaking spread across the world, the purpose remained the same: protect the paddler, without limiting movement. Modern kayaking introduced new environments: fast rivers, rocky shorelines, cold lakes, and open oceans. Ordinary shoes absorbed water, became heavy, and lost traction on wet surfaces. Specialized boots became essential. The science behind kayaking boots begins with insulation. Neoprene contains countless microscopic air bubbles. These tiny pockets reduce heat loss, helping maintain warmth even when the boot is wet. Unlike materials that rely on staying completely dry, neoprene continues insulating in cold water. Rubber outsoles use carefully engineered tread patterns, increasing friction on slippery rocks, boat ramps, and riverbanks. Many compounds remain flexible in low temperatures, providing dependable grip in changing conditions. Construction reflects decades of outdoor engineering. Reinforced toe caps protect against rocks. High ankle cuffs reduce water entry. Glued and blind stitched seams improve waterproof performance. Drainage systems allow excess water to escape. Adjustable closures provide a secure fit without restricting circulation. Every feature supports safety, comfort, and confidence on the water. Throughout the 20th century, kayaking evolved from a survival skill into a global sport. Sea kayaking, whitewater racing, fishing, and recreational paddling each demanded specialized equipment. Manufacturers refined boot designs, balancing insulation, flexibility, grip, and lightweight construction. Psychologically, kayaking boots represent preparedness. They allow paddlers to step confidently onto uncertain terrain, launching from muddy riverbanks, crossing rocky shorelines, or navigating swift currents, knowing every step has been carefully supported. Modern innovation continues advancing water sports footwear. Ulex natural rubber and limestone-based neoprene alternatives reduce reliance on petroleum. Recycled fabrics conserve resources. Computer-designed outsole patterns maximize traction. Laser cutting improves manufacturing precision. Digital quality control enhances consistency while reducing waste. The future combines environmental responsibility with expedition-ready performance. Today, kayaking boots accompany paddlers across every continent. From quiet mountain lakes to powerful coastal tides, from remote wilderness expeditions to international competitions, their materials continue evolving, their engineering continues advancing, yet their purpose remains timeless. Every carefully molded sole grips uncertain ground. Every insulated layer protects against unforgiving water. Every thoughtfully engineered boot reminds us that every great journey begins with a single confident step into the current.